Is that just Starbucks right here?
No, it's this place called Tuesday. And it's like a little coffee shop. Like this little shopping area. It's called like Marietta Square. Are you recording? It's called Marietta Square. Okay, Tuesday is a coffee shop. Found it on TikTok. And I want to try the rosemary. It's like called rosemary caramel, whatever. Obviously, you can get it as a latte or something else, whatever. But rosemary caramel caught my attention. You know what I'm saying? Like rosemary caramel. Like that's like
Yeah.
And they describe it as like really buttery, and you know, if you're not a huge dairy person, then it's not for you, which I'm not. Ooh. But see, it's like Tuesday. Ain't that so cute? So simple. Look. Okay.
Oh, at Lush Cakery.
No. This Tuesday in the coffee shop is the door next door.
Okay, got it.
I'll take the other side.
Whoa.
And they're packed.
That's how you know it's good.
I guess so. It is really warm.
Sorry.
You think I should try the rosemary caramel? I'm scared. I'm gonna try. Is the rosemary caramel good? You like it?
Yeah.
Is it too buttery or like?
It's not. I
I'm
don't think
gonna try
so.
it
The
too.
autumn is also really popular.
I'll pass that. I'm gonna do the rosemary caramel.
Okay, cool. And 12 or 16 ounces.
I just want 12.
12 ounces. And whole milk.
Minimalistic.
Is that stone? No. Okay.
Is this out?
Yeah.
This is cool. I like the minimalistic. And then they have blended shot glass.
Yeah. It is a whole snap. I gotta buy it. I gotta buy it for myself. Yeah. Momofuku. Chili. Like Momofuku is man. I gotta get it. And I feel like I should get the extra spicy. Ah man.
What do you put?
And I was gonna buy it. No, you can put it on anything. You can literally put it on anything. And I feel like maybe I should just get this one so I can put it on anything. It never goes out of focus.
Well, it's not by Tuesday. On a Saturday. Alright.
So, got the Momofuku and got, I'm not even a coffee drinker, but got the, no, I'm not really. Like I do appreciate good coffee, good roasted beans.
I think this was.
I really do appreciate things like that.
I think this quality is really good.
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna burn myself.
It's not gonna happen. It's not how I promise. It's not how I just go for it. Look. I feel like it's really good quality. What would you feel? How you feel?
I'm trying to tell if
Taste the rosemary?
is that a dark roast?
It's not a blonde rose.
I'm getting so I'm trying to decipher away from the cream, because like the cream is smoothing it out a lot more, but I'm getting the strong bitterness. So like that's why I'm like, I wonder if it is like a dark roast that just like the cream, the foam cream, which is at top, as I drink it, it's gonna hit first. But
okay, I get what you're saying. Do you taste the rosemary?
I don't. I don't taste the rosemary.
It tastes like cooking coffee.
No. I taste the caramel. I do. Caramel. Who knows exactly what it's supposed to say? Caramel. Who? What do y'all say? Y'all say caramel or y'all say caramel?
Caramel.
Or do y'all say
Caramel.
Caramel.
Caramel is the
Either way, got the coffee, got the momofuku.
got the cocoa bread.
Got the cocoa
so
bread.
we're gonna try that in the car.
Yeah. It's kind of chilly out here.
It looks like just like bread.
Cocoa bread. I've never actually seen cocoa bread. You know what? Hey, I'm gonna tag Sergeant Jackson in on this because he knows this more than me. But cocoa bread. Hey, any Jamaicans actually know like if this is exactly the way it's supposed to be? I mean, either way, it's good. It smells good. It's really, really soft. It's very similar to milk bread. If you guys know what milk bread is, it's definitely really, really like fluffy. But yeah, So yeah, it's pretty much just exactly like it's bread, but it has this sweetness to it. But it's bread, but I can see how it'll play very, very well with like soaking up like Jamaican flavors and like sauces and whatever, like, you know what I mean, like all those good sauces, and you like scrape it up, you pick it up, you like eat it. A lot of people love cocoa bread. First time ever having it. I know maybe I didn't have it the way maybe I should best have it, but regardless of case, having it by itself, I feel will give me the best understanding of what it should taste like, and then from there actually using it for something else. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we are here. We made it to the Heirloom Market barbecue. Like, literally, I'm excited for this food. It's freaking amazing. Everything that I see on the reviews about it, like, it looks amazing. It looks crazy. It looks like delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and tag in the full menu in the description for you guys to actually look through it your own self. Like, if you're in the Atlanta area, I definitely want to say that you guys need to try it. This is my third stop for dinner, and you know we already went to the bakery, then we went to the market, and we did the full tour over there. But now we're coming in for barbecue and with the Korean twist, and that's what we're shooting for, and that's where we're gonna finish off tonight. Stay tuned for more content, but until then, we're gonna just keep going from here. So peace out. So right now we are waiting on the order. This place seems very, very packed. Like, that looks gorgeous. And what I've been looking for, the gochujang ribs. Oh man. Yo, those look insane, and they look like they're smoked too.
Yeah.
Yo, we're gonna have to taste it. All right. So, again, you see how that look? There's smoke ring on it, man. Crazy. All right. Look at them. Yeah, that. Oh.
It's just falling off.
Oh man. Oh. I wish. Man, I wonder if there's sauce in it. Because right now it's dry, but flavor-wise, there's a lot of smoke. What is that? Maybe applewood. Now it's recording. This is like fall out the bone. Little heat, little sweet. Yo, this is. I've never had Korean ribs, but these are like crazy. I'm pretty sure like the kimchi slaw is probably like the same. Yo, you're gonna need to try this. You're gonna need to try this. Like,